Hello everybody, welcome. This is our Shumatt's live streaming. I'm Caitlin. Our company specializes in commercial diesel parts, and today I'm very glad to show you our hard sealing valve assembly. Let's take a look. And firstly, let's see the outside packaging. It is VCI anti-rust bag. Here, this is the product label. And the first line is our Shumatt's brand. And the product code of this valve assembly is F00RJ01941. And for this kind of the logo, the label, the packages, etc., we can support customized service. And then let's check the inside. Let's take a look for the inside part. This is the transparent bottles and can be better protected the valve assembly. And in the inside, we also use one layer oil paper to wrap it up. That's the valve assembly here. Take a look. And for this valve assembly, this is the product code is F00RJ01941. And it's the 120 series China-made brand new applicable injector number is 04445120029, etc. Here I just listed one. More details, please check our videos. And that's the valve cap here with the coating figures here, and that's the valve rod. Each product we supply 6 months warranty time. In this period, any of customers, if you are not set with the quality, it's okay. We can return or exchange. So much for this one. And last, thank you for staying with me. Let's see you next time. Have a good day. Bye.